Welcome to our tutorial of graphic user interface design with Tkinter in Python. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a standalone Python executable file, which is basically a graphic user interface that you can run in your Windows PC. Now, this is only for Windows PCs. If you are running a different kind of PC like a Mac, then you need to go online and search on how to do that. This one is only for Windows. We are going to do this using this graphic user interface that we made in the last video. If you did not watch the last video, then go ahead and watch it in the description below. This is the graphic user interface that we made in that video. Now today we're going to make it into a standalone Windows executable file. Now I should mention that for this to work, you need to have added Python to path. You do this by every time you're installing Python, you will be asked to add Python to path, and you need to click on that checkbox. If you do not do that, then you need to uninstall Python and then install it again. And this time, make sure you click on this checkbox, add Python to path. Now let's open our command prompt. In your command prompt, you need to type pip install PyInstaller. PyInstaller is the Python package that we're going to be using to make this standalone Python executable file. Our PyInstaller is already installed on my machine, so that did not take that long. For you, maybe it's going to take a little longer. The next thing to do is change the directory in which command prompt is running. We change it to the directory in which we have our Python file. And you do this by typing cd followed by the directory. And for me, that is in C, Python, and Python 3.7. Now we are in the directory, so we can make the file by typing PyInstaller --1 file followed by the name of the Python file. And my Python file is exam.py. After you click enter, it's gonna start creating your file. Now this is gonna take some time, so you need to be very patient. When it's done creating the file, it's gonna tell us completed successfully, and then we can see the directory in which this file has been created. And for me, it's in C, Python 3.7 dist, and then the name of the file. Now we can go to that folder and open it. We find our file, we click it. The first thing to appear is going to be this dark screen. Now don't you worry, your graphic user interface is going to pop up. And there it is, our graphic user interface pops up. Now let's try to see if it still works. Blue, purple, good, submit exam, and it still works. And that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me.